Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, hold power for 10 seconds to force a shutdown, then power on and watch the lock screen. If safe mode appears, you likely have a stuck key or app. Once done, press and hold volume up while booting to test key state, because hardware input can force the mode. Make sure SIM and SD cards are properly seated. Remove the SD card temporarily to rule out file system issues. These quick checks eliminate the common, immediate causes. Once you can boot, you focus on apps. Go to Settings, Apps, and sort by recent installs because problematic apps often arrive just before the fault. You uninstall one app at a time, then reboot to check, since incremental removal isolates the cause. Also clear cache for apps that manage input or overlays because they can trigger safe mode. If issues persist, boot into safe mode deliberately to verify behavior. This helps confirm. Finish by preparing for a factory reset only if uninstall and updates fail. Backup contacts, photos, and settings first because reset erases user data. Then update the system firmware and all apps since software patches often fix boot issues. If safe mode still returns, test for hardware faults. Press the power and volume buttons gently while booting, or try a replacement power flex at a service center. Troubleshooting tip: if a button is intermittently pressed, tape it down briefly to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.